Oh man, I just like moved something in my hand and it fucking popped. This is worse than the whack-a-mole thing. Stupid, it was like remakes where you didn't really get to move around, you just had like a gun. And you would like excuse me. I literally see my cat just like fucking running around like a psycho. Headphone warning, I think, because I have to burp. So, I bought a bunch of leggings when I was pregnant. Excuse me. Soda. So how about that? How about that? Excuse me. There we go. Hi, can you burp on command? I cannot. I mean, I can, but like, that's the best that's gonna come from that. Ooh, spooky. Also, I burp a lot. Headphone warning. Excuse me. Scary.
Yeah, that was exactly kind of the thing. That's one of those things like, oh.
I could be wrong. Who is... Excuse me, sorry. I'm sorry.